lahat, nagbabalik po ang No Holds Barred at ito po yung pinakaabangan at pinakamalaking interview namin as we celebrate our 6th season. Mga Mindoreño, kasama po natin ang pinakamalaki at pinagmamalaking artista at singer ng Pilipinas. Walang iba kundi si Miss Yeng Constantino.
Hello!
Magandang gabi, Yeng.
Hi po sa inyong lahat.
Welcome to No Holds Barred.
Thank you. Thank you for welcoming me. Thank you so much.
Your first time here?
No. Parang nagka-show na ako before, pero siguro way back, ako 2007 pa yata. Sa ibang lugar pa, hindi dito sa Calapan. So.
Alright. Yan, inaabangan ka talaga ng buong Oriental Mindoro. When we first heard about your concert, everybody was very excited. So, kumusta yung paghahanda mong ginawa dito sa concert mo?
Okay naman, parang na-risked nga yata itong show namin. Kaya gusto ko na rin po mag-apologize sa mga taong nagantay noon for the show. Know that yung talent management namin for Merson, sobrang inayos po. And I'm happy na natuloy na rin po finally. Maraming salamat po sa pag-iintay ninyong lahat. I'm so excited to see everyone sa loob ng nitong Divine Word College.
Yeah, Divine Word College.
Gymnasium. So, yun.
Medyo personal tayo. Kumusta ang buhay may asawa?
Masaya. I'm learning how to cook.
Learning how to cook. So medyo malayo sa pagkanta, pero this is another endeavor, this is another thing that you are trying to learn. Kumusta naman ang career sa ABS-CBN?
Masaya. I'm 8 years in the industry at grabe lang din yung adventure ko in my 8 years. It's still going strong.
Yes.
Siyempre, alam mo yun, mag-try din ng something else. I'm trying to write songs kasi I've been writing songs for myself. So ngayong year, parang I'm trying to write songs for other artists.
When you first started, did you realize or have you ever imagined that you would become this big?
Dream ko siya. But I just know na sobrang daming magaling na artists sa Pilipinas who are also like me nung time na yun na nangangarap. So the competition was really sobrang tight. Hindi ako piritera. Tulad nung panahon namin, talagang pag hindi ko kumakanta ng Miss Regine Velasquez, sobrang no. I'm just really blessed. Alam ko na si God talaga yung naglagay sa akin sa industriya. Kasi nung time na yun, there's no way na manalo ka kapag hindi ka bumipilit. So, ayun, happy naman ako. Umubra naman yung hawak kamay, tsaka salamat. So, ayos.
So, balikan natin yung 8 taon na yon. Kumusta ka dati? 8 years ago. Who was Yeng Constantino?
8 years ago, nag-work na ako. Dahil nag-stop ako, hindi ako nag-college. After high school, nag-stop ako, nag-giveaway ako sa brother ko. Siya yung mag-aaral, makapagtapos ng college dahil hindi rin kaya po sabihin ng tatay ko. So, actually, kakayanin naman niya. Pero
mas pinili mo talaga.
Mas mahihirapan din. Parang kung sabay-sabay masyado.
Yes.
Tapos parang ako sa part ko, gusto ko talaga na i-pursue yung singing. So, I work sa mga bars, kumakanta ko with my band. So, yun yung ginagawa ko for the past 2 years before I joined Teenage Dream Academy.
So, saan mo nakuha yung talent mo in singing? Does everyone in the family sing?
Yes, kumakanta naman sa family. Except yung tatay ko. Kaya ako yung kapatid-lahat kumakanta. So, sige.
Right now, you are Yeng Constantino and everybody knows you. Even sa iba't ibang panig ng mundo. Do you still have fears?
Fears?
Yes.
Fears? Siyempre, you always desire na, I always desire na mahal ka rin ng mga nag-support ko hanggang sa 10 years, 20 years. So that's it. So I keep it real and gusto ko lang talaga na, alam mo, ayoko din na magusto nila ako with something hindi ako eh.
Yes.
I want them to love me. Kasi parang di mahirap yung work. Kasi when you pretend, doon ang mahirap yung trabaho. So I'm happy, I'm blessed na ngayon. Mahal ako ng mga supporters ko for who I am. Even kinasal na ako, they still love me. And my songs, they love my song. Voting for my songs on Mix, on radio station. So happy. Sana, yun lang. Talagang sana manatili yung pagmamahal ng mga taga-support ako. Till the end.
That's the positive side of it, na gusto mo halimbawa sa 10 years, 20 years talaga malayo pa yung marating. Then how does Yeng Constantino handle criticism? I'm sure hindi naman talaga natin mapiplease lahat. So how do you do it?
I learned how to choose people na mapakinggan ko. Because yung buhay namin mga showbiz personalities, sobrang open kami to the social media.
Yes, of course.
And syempre yung mga press. Pero when you choose kung sino papakinggan mo, everything else is invalid. So when you see someone say that.
So positive lang?
No. Parang,
even the negative?
Lahat makikita mo eh. May Twitter ako, may Instagram ako, I'm so active sa social media. Ako lahat nag-handle ng social media accounts mo. So, I see everything.
Personally, ikaw ang talaga.
Yes,
Okay.
ako nag-handle everything. So, what you see, mga posts doon, ako yun. And may mga moments talaga na talagang, alam mo yun, I put my heart into it. So, I see every negative, positive comment. But I choose to listen to my manager, my parents, my
Friends.
husband, close friends, yes. Pero ilan lang din, alam mo yun, hindi lahat eh. Kasi when you listen to everybody, sobra kang malilito. So, pag hindi sinabi ng manager ko, that's not valid. So,
Alright. So, a lot of Mindoreños are watching you right now and they are inspired with your stories. Maybe as a message from you na gusto ding mangarap, na gusto ding magtagumpay katulad mo.
sa mga nagsuporta ko po dito sa Mindoro, thank you so much po sa pagmamahal niyo sa akin. Sa lahat mo na nangangarap dyan, ang mapapayo ko po sa inyo, huwag kayong susuko. Ako po ay mahigit 100 o 200, 500 beses sumali sa singing contest.
Oh, wow.
And mas marami po akong talo kaysa panalo. Pero siguro po dahil sa hindi pagsuko at suporta ng pamilya ko, kaya po ako nandito ngayon. At maniwala po kayo sa talento na binigay ng Diyos sa inyo. So kung wala naniniwala ang ibang tao, okay lang yun. Tiwala naman sa inyo si God. So that's enough reason for you to believe in yourself.
Alright, Yang, we are celebrating our 6th season and we are opening this June. I hope you won't mind if we will ask a message from you.
No holds barred. Congratulations sa inyong 6th season, and I pray that God will prosper you even more sa inyong show. I pray na yung show ninyo ay maging portal ng blessings to all of the people who are watching. They will be blessed and they will be happy. Congratulations.
Yang, from No Holds Barred, we love you.
Thank you.
And we will keep on supporting you. And thank you for granting us this interview. This is our biggest interview so far.
Ang lakas siya kay ate. Hindi ako. Ayan, nasa ito.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.